Hello folks, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is April 8, 2022. Let's take a look at top energy stocks. As there is geopolitical tension, oil price is going up, so it could be a good time to buy some great oil stocks and go from there. So we'll start with the market update, look at top ETFs, look at top energy stocks, and then finally let's look at top energy stocks which are low price. So with that, let's jump in. From a market perspective, look, inflation bites and America's mood darkens. So that's where consumers are cutting back here. We got to be careful. And according to this news here, only half of the Fed's tightening is priced in. So it indicates price might still go down further. And look what's going on here. We got Dow Jones Industrial Average going higher. All these big industrials are going up. But look, Nasdaq is down big time. Look, Nasdaq is down, and down nicely, 186 points. S&P 500 is also down, and look, it's also down nicely, as you can see here. So futures are pointing in the similar direction here. Futures market is not up quite, so we'll see how it goes as we go forward. So with that, let's jump in here. From a fear and greed index perspective, we are in the neutral zone right now. We are going into fear zone slightly, as you can see here. I can see us going back to say 25 or even 20 for that matter. That's in the cards. As inflation fear comes to the market, it can swing back to the extreme fear zone. Look, just 1 month ago we were at extreme fear zone around 18 or so. I could expect us to go at least to 20, so touch some of those lows and go from there. So with that, let's look at the top ETFs. From a top ETF perspective, look, S&P 500 still doing great. It's just 6.8% below its 52-week high. So it's not in the correction territory yet. Correction territory is defined as 10% down from 52-week high. But look, in 1 day, 5 day and 10 day, S&P 500 is down. Whereas Nasdaq is a little more severe. Look at Nasdaq here, QQQ. It's been down for 1 day, 5 day and 10 day, and it's down 14% from 52-week high. It's squarely in the correction territory. Look at the IV percentile. You could make a lot of money selling put options way below current ETF price. Very high IV percentile, 74. It's an option seller's dream here. And we got few more here. Look, we got XLE here, energy. Even though market is going down, energy is going up nicely. Look, it's up in 1 day, 5 day, 10 days, so on and so forth. You know, when these type of things happens, trend could be your friend. So you can slowly follow the trend and make money till the trend bends on you. So that's why it could be good to look at some of these energy names. And look, precious metal is also going well here. Silver is going up in 1 day, 5 day. Similarly, gold is also going up. As you can see here, GLD is also doing great. And along with, we got one more stock here, which GDX, as you can see here, doing nicely. Looks like gold is also doing well. All the defensive names are doing well here. The gold, silver, oil, you know, they're all doing well. And even XLP here, consumer staples, that's also doing well, as you can see here. With that, let's jump in and look at some top energy names. From an energy stock perspective, look, we got a few top picks here. Top of the list, we got high market cap name here, Exxon Mobil. Look, it's a great company, $367 billion market cap here. And look, it's got a perfect score, almost perfect score, 94. And nice Piotrowski F score. Piotrowski F score, the higher the better. Highest is 9. That tells you books are consistently good for a couple of years. That's why it's a great one to buy here. Hartman Z says there is no need to worry about the financial position. It's rock solid. And they got $6 billion cash in the balance sheet and nice free cash flow here. So with that, I would say, you know, go buy some Exxon Mobil on a down day. You will do very well. Look, it also pays a 4.10% dividend here. That's a good one here. And we got close second here. I love Chevron also. It's a very good stock. Look, Chevron is also nicely up. Look, it's up 95% in last 5 years. You could buy this company also. Great grade 8 here Piotrowski F score. That tells you books are great. It's got overall score of 96, which is great. Pays 3.30% dividend here. That's also great here. And we got a few more names here, as you can see. Look, all these stocks have got nice and high RSI. That tells you these are really overbought at this level, but you could slowly buy them on the down days. It's not too super overbought yet. Look, 63, 65 is okay for oil and energy. You could buy these names here. And look, some folks go after the high dividend. We got few with the very high dividend here. EQNR, not the EQNR, the next one PBR. PBR pays a 20% dividend, as you can see here. Overall score is 100, and they got nice Piotrowski F score, so you're safe here. You get 20% dividend here, and company is also solid. And looks like Altman Z score is 1.7, which is tad below what I like here. I typically like 1.8 and higher. And we got few of my favorites here. I like EOG. EOG is a great stock to buy. Look, it's done great, 47%. Stock is going higher, as you can see here. Nice uptick in 1 day, 5 day, and so on and so forth. And we got a few more here. PXD is one of my favorite. It's also a great one to buy. Look, it's done very well, 47% in last 5 years. It's going higher off late. Nice 97 score overall and 2.20% dividend here. And keep watching 5 year here. Some stocks have done great in 5 years. You could go after those candidates. They will do consistently well. We got a few more here. Look, ConocoPhillips is also a good one here. It's done great. You could go after this great stock here. You will do well. And we got a few more here. PBR is a good one. And look, we got Enbridge, ENB. I know a lot of people who bought Enbridge just for their nice dividend here. It's a good one to buy. They got a score 5 here. That's pretty good. Their financials are not so great, 0.9 score here, but this also works very well. And we got a few more here. Look, Occidental Petroleum. Warren Buffett bought some of these stock a while ago. It's also a good one here. They've done great, 145% in last 1 year and 17% in last 5 years. And we got a few more here. Look at the perfect score here. We got 91, 97. You could look at Marathon. It's a good one here, as well as Suncor. Both work very well. Look, nice overall score. You could buy those names here. Suncor pays a great dividend, as you can see here, 4.10%. And then you got one more with the nice overall score here, Devon Energy, 100 out of 100. You could buy this great stock here, take advantage. Pays 6.40% dividend here. You could go after this one also. And I see here PBR has got a perfect 100 score. You could also buy this one here. Look, nice score, 100 out of 100. It's a great one to buy here. All right, so with that, many of these names work here because all these names are doing very well. And if you want low price stock, look, we got KMI here. Just under $20, $19 as you can see here. This also works now. It's pays a 5.50% dividend here. Just getting started here. You could buy this one also. All right, let's look at a few more here. Continuation here. Market cap is in the descending order, as you can see here. And look, we got here nice free cash flow in most of these companies. And keep watching a 5 year how they've done. Many of these names are done great in 5 years. You could go after some top ones here. EC stock is just below $20, as you can see here. Done great in last 5 years. You could go after this one also. A nice 81 score overall. From a cash Altman Z score perspective, little less, but that works here. And we got a few more here. Look, Halliburton, one of my favorite. And even LNG is also a great one here. You could buy both of these names here. Great one to buy at these levels here. Nice overall score. And LNG has got a little bit less Altman Z score, but stock is going higher off late. You could still buy this natural gas boom here. And we got a few more as you see here. Keep watching the overall score here. Higher the better. We got one more here. ET Energy Transfer Partners. A nice overall score of 92 here. Nice dividend here. You could buy this one also. This also works here. And we got a few more here. Look, we got 97 here. MPLX. You could buy this one also here. A great name. Nice 97 score, pays 8.30% dividend. That's a great one to look at. And we got a few more here. Keep watching here. We got IMO. Nice overall score here, 199 out of 100. You could buy this great one, great stock also. Little high RSI here that tells you it might be okay to look for a little pullback here and then go from there. And we got one of my favorite here, OKE ONOK. It's also a great one to buy at these levels here. Pays 5.20% dividend. And look, we got plenty of great names here. Nice overall score. FANG is a good one. CTRA, PBA all work here. You could buy these names. Great overall score and go from there. Look, PBA has got a little bit lower Altman Z score. Tells you financially not in a great shape here, but it still works. And we got a few more here. Look, we got few one with overall nice score here. OVV $52 stock. Look, 85 overall score. Nice Piotrowski F score. I love when it's below 7. This one has got 8, which is a great one here. Alright, so we got a few more here. What we'll do is we'll look at a little bit lower price stock. So from a lower price stock perspective, all these stocks, keep a look here. All these stock prices less than $10. And look, they've done great. Look at the 1 year performance. They've been doing well off late. You could buy some of these names. If you are a conservative investor, look for net margin positive companies and go after those. For example, we got CPG here, net margin positive. You could go after such companies here. It's got nice overall score. Look, 96. You can't be going wrong with such companies. And we got a few more with nice net margin positive here. Look, we got CDEV, just $9 stock here, net margin positive. You could look at this one also. It's got a nice Piotrowski F score, tells you books are great. And then you got YPP here. It's got a great score, YPF actually. You could buy this also here, nice overall score of 84. And this one has got just 2% net margin positive. It will also do well. And you got two more with nice net margin positive here, UUU and DNN. Both will work. You got to be careful with these names because they got high price to sales ratio or high valuation. You got to be slightly careful here. UUU is a Uranian play here. They tend to go up and down a lot. It's good to buy if you're a long-term holder, but I would wait for a little pullback. Even up here you could buy some. Its RSI is just 59, which is not too bad. So with that, keep watching. Few more here. We got one more with nice net margin here, OBE. You could look at this one also. Look, it's got a nice score of 96 here. This works. Look, performance 502% in last 1 year. This stock is getting started. RSI just 56. You could still buy it up here. It's just $8.68 stock. You could buy this one here. All right, let's look at a few more here. Keep watching the stock price all below $10 and keep watching the net margin. If you're a conservative investor, go after the positive net margin. We got TTI here, positive net margin. You could look at that one here. It's got an overall score of 40. You could look at this one. It's going higher off late. And there is one more right here with the 9% net margin. You could look at that one also. It's got 48 overall score. That also works here. And we got two more with nice high score. Both these might work nicely here. 91 and 96. Look, they got nice net margin and stock price is very low here. You could buy these great companies, take advantage of this high oil price and energy price here. And we got one more with the nice net margin here. Falcon, nice. Look, it's got nice overall score here. You could buy this one also. This also works here. And you got TGA again with the positive net margin. You could buy TGA here. Nice overall score, pays a nice dividend. This also works here. And last but not least, we got NGL. Nice net margin as you see here. And stock is just getting started. You could buy this one also. Alright, so some of these stocks, as you can see here, insiders are buying or institutions are buying. That's also a great sign. You could look for such scenarios. Look here, we got NGL, both insiders as well as institutions buying. That could be a good cue for you. Alright, so with that, thank you. We'll look at a few stock charts here. Look, first is Exxon Mobil. It's the biggest energy stock. Look, stock is doing great off late. Higher highs, higher lows. I say, if it falls a little bit slightly down, if there's a pullback, buy this. Right now, RSI 63, you could still buy some, but I would rather buy on a slightly pullback so you get a good pricing. Look, on the balance volume is going higher. That tells you folks are buying Exxon Mobil even though it's going higher. And same story is CVX. Look, nice rock solid chart here. On the balance volume is going higher, and this is also great stock. I would buy this one also on a down day. And then got Enbridge ENB. Look, stock is going higher. There is no downturn, no pullback. It's a great one to buy here. I would wait for a slight pullback here though. It's also a great one with nice dividend. Then you got ConocoPhillips, great story. Look, stock is going higher. On the balance volume is also higher. I would buy this one also on any pullback here. RSI is 58, not too bad. All right, let's look at a few more here. We got MPC, Marathon. Look, it's also doing nicely here. Higher highs, as you can see here. On the balance volume is going higher. You could buy this great stock also here. And you got Valero, VLO here. Look, it's also doing great. Higher highs, nice on the balance volume. You could buy this one also. For the folks who sell put options, keep watching the IV percentile here. All nice and high IV percentile. If you don't want to buy the stock outright, you could sell some put option way underneath. Say, around say a lower level here, around 74, 75. That will give you a good, nice premium here. And then you got PXT, one of my absolute favorite stock here. Look, it's doing nicely. Higher highs on the balance volume going higher. You could buy this one also. Also high IV percentile. Tells you it's volatile. You could make some money selling put options. Then you got Devon, which is a consistent player. Look, it's also doing nicely. Higher highs. So it's a market rotation game here. When the high growth names come down, these type of energy, healthcare names and consumer staple go higher. So if you play the market rotation game well, you would make good money here. That's the game here. All right. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.